Hi guys, Tom here. Real quick upgrade. I get a little bit of a metal sound when I'm at high RPMs, so I'm going to replace these springs with an upgraded set of springs. The new springs have a rubber jacket, hopefully keep down some of this vibrating sound I hear at high RPMs. So I'm going to get this spring off and put the new one on. What I do is I take a wire tie, loop it around one end of the hook, use a screwdriver as a handle to pull the hook off its resting space. Spring comes right off. So now with the new spring, using the wire tie, we'll just loop it around one hook, one mounting area, use a screwdriver. I'm gonna tighten up this loop a little. Extend it down. Now, what we can do is cut the wire tie. Get it out of the way. See the little notch right here? Just get the spring into that little notch. Now, we use a tool instead of getting a chance of getting our finger snapped. And now, the new spring is on. Just going to repeat this process with the lower one. Wire tie. Make sure I hear the clicking. Screwdriver, up and away. Actually going to use a second method to replace the lower spring. Use a screwdriver or something that has slender nose on it, like these needle nose pliers. Just take the spring into one lower hook. Get the spring latched over whatever device you're using, like a screwdriver, or in this case, those pliers, and as you lever, and the spring will actually, the hook will slide up the nose and latch right onto the hook. Then you just have to reposition it so it lands inside the notches. So the lower one's in the notch, you need those pliers, the up one's in the notch. Now both of the new exhaust springs are in place. Now hopefully with the rubber jacket, it'll reduce some of the extra noise I get from the exhaust at high RPMs. All right, so that was meant to be a quick video on just upgrading some of these exhaust springs. Hopefully this will improve the sound that comes off this little motor. If you have any feedback or comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.